Hello, everyone. Let's see the daily close or the weekly close again for the US stock market. For today, we saw a little bit of a pump here. Once we hit our fib level 121 Fibonacci here, 28K, and this fib level is a finished potential zigzag there. And that means, of course, we might be here very likely in a WX and a wave Y. Um, Meaning the WXNY here that can bring us back in a larger correction and then pushing down later on. But um, I'm still, of course, wondering if this is going to really play as expected. So we expected to hit the 0.38 today. And by the way, we took a beautiful trade today for this, exactly from from the starting of the pump there. We took a buy there from the current price 28K 500, and we took our stop loss exactly at this key level, guys. Because of course red zone hit, so consider to take profit. So what's good? I mentioned that of course it is a risky trade, yeah. So we are trading the retracement, which is risky but manageable. So of course, don't do always that, guys, especially when you are against the trend. But only when you have such a very strong impulse, also hitting the target. So it was a good opportunity, I would say, just to take that today. But trade safe always, of course, and especially with some risk management, can identify this risk. However, internally, guys, we have three ways. Okay, we have three ways. We have hit our red zone here, and we're pushing back down. All right, so that means we're still bearish. Nothing yet is bullish here. We're still looking for lower. Very likely it is a 1-2 as well. So don't forget that this can be a wave 2. Now, what it can be a little bit much more tricky here is a larger A, B, and a C. All right, so it's a larger A, B, and a C, and then coming back down. All right, so that can happen, yes, for sure. And if you want to make this probability a little bit more or less here, you can take your time here, fib level, and have a wave 2 timing, and you will realize that the time was not even the minimum requirement was taken, 0.38. So that as per timing here, we're expecting, of course, at least to the 1-to-1 here to be hit. And therefore, yes, expect this. Expect a drop and then push toward the upside one more time. Um, and of course, pushing back down. Yeah, so this what it might happen in a larger wave 2 here. And then, of course, continuation in case we are bearish. If not, if we break it, okay, it's not bullish yet, but it's gonna give higher probability again for the bullish. You have another red zone to test. If we break it, 886, those are the key level where we start to make a transition to something bullish again. Currently, the bullish is still 35 and the bearish is 65%. We're gonna keep it as it is because, of course, we took this red zone so far and we might retake it and we might start to see some weakness again. So, yeah, we still, of course, in a 65 for bearish, guys, in NASDAQ. For SPX as well, we are in our wave 4 for this diagonal. So we're looking at a 1, 2, 3 here, 4, and a 5. This diagonal still unfolding after taking the high here, which is very interesting. But I'm still looking for the final move here from this red zone. Now we got something as a pump here, but I still don't trust it so much. But yes, it can be an a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, A, B, and a C, and I need it actually to pump toward the upside here and hit our target. Okay, so we need such a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So I would say bullish already given a little bit still for SPX, and I'm still on it. Okay, nothing has changed, but the reaction is nice. A1-2 has started to unfold, where I would take additional percentage for the bullish once we break the high, once we break the 1-to-1, and of course breaking the 886. So we go higher and higher with the probabilities here. We might become here around the 65 to 70% pushing toward the upside. Okay. But currently, anyway, we're still in bullish right now, 55. But of course, here 60, 60, 65 or 70, I would say, when breaking the 1-to-1, 70%, then 75% at 886, guys. So Yeah, we'll see how this is going to unfold. So yeah, we'll see. Interesting. So $7,700 can be your target for us. For Dow Jones, well, I'm not surprised at all, guys. All right, I'm not surprised that we're pushing still here in kind of like this diagonal. So we need it, and basically we still, of course, looking to hit this green zone, I would say, before we push toward the upside. A, B, and a C still very likely before pushing higher. Probability are still, of course, between bullish and bearish. If you want to, because we see, of course, a lot of red a little bit here, just 5% can do the things. Yeah. So, but we still bullish at the end. We will not go back to 50 here. I doubt it. But basically, yeah, we'll see the reaction over there. If this target, the 1.618, is broken, like decisively like this, then of course the bullish goes down. Yep, so that was it for Dow Jones as well, SPX, NASDAQ. I wish you a happy weekend. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.